5 quick InDesign tips in under 5 minutes. Today it's 5 InDesign tips to speed up your workflow. For those who don't know me, my name is Darren Goddard, a senior creative with over 20 years experience. Now let's jump into the video with the first tip. Tip number 1, autofill pages in the primary text frame. So what we're going to do is create a new document. So go File, New Document, and then we're going to go A4, which I've got as a recent, or you can set it up here, and you need to make sure you've got facing pages and primary text frame both checked. Then we create a document. This has now created a text box, so we can select this and then we can go File, Place. I've got a text document here with lots of copy on. We can open this, and what you can see is a little dot here, and then it goes to blue, which means it's now generated the pages for the amount of text. So you've got lots of different pages with all the copy on, and that's how you use the primary text frame in InDesign. Quick and easy. Tip number 2, turn any shape into a text frame. So with my document open, I'm going to draw a circle. So I'm going to click the circle over here. I'm going to hold down Shift to constrain it into a perfect circle. I'm going to do a right click on the mouse, go to Content and change it to text. And then I'm going to go under that Type menu and just fill with placeholder text. And that's a quick and easy way of converting any shape into a text frame. Tip number 3, center align anything perfectly. So with my document open again, I want to center align all these shapes. So I'm going to draw a marquee over them to select them. I'm going to then head up to the align menu and make sure this is aligned to page. I'm going to click this one here and this one here, and there we have it, all 4 squares centered perfectly within the document. Tip number 4, distribute objects evenly. So what we've got here is got some more shapes on the page all scattered. What we're going to do is we're going to make the gaps between them consistent. So first thing I want to do is select them all, and for this I'm going to make sure it's aligned to page. I'm just going to center them vertically first, and what I want to do is I want to move them to the margins. So move that one, and I want the gaps in between to be consistent. So I'm going to select all of them, I'm going to go up to here and change this to align to margin, and then I'm going to click this one here, which is a distribute horizontal centers. Click that, and then we have it, all the gaps are perfectly the same and aligned. Tip number 5, automatic page numbering. So what we need to do is select the pages from here, go up to the parent page, double click on that, grab your text tool, draw your text box where you want the page number to appear. It's flashed on the left, so we'll have that centered, so I'll click on the center. Then I'll do a right click on the mouse, insert special character, markers, current page number. And you see it puts the character there, so we'll click for that. Go down to page 1, and then you see it, we have a page 1, and if we drag a new master down, we'll see we have page 2, and that's how you add automatic page numbering. Stop the clock. That's 5 tips in under 5 minutes in InDesign. So if you found this tutorial useful, you'd like some more content of the same, then please consider giving me a like and drop a comment down below which tip you think you'll be using going forward and you got most use out of. Until the next time, take care and keep creating. And I think you're going to like this video here next.